Smokeless Chimney, light color instrument, the best flames on the net. This is one of the light sensors I used. It's not a color sensor. Now we can pick on my soldering from a few years ago. It probably works, but you can see they're not very well done. In this video, I will go through the stages of designing a color sensor to protect us from UV light. This is one of the 20mm LED light sources that I use. Well, what color is this light source? Should we just turn it on? Let's see if we can find some clues. It says 1 watt. What is that? 30, 50,000? How many zeros is that? Not sure what that says. And then I have written 200 nanometers. 200 nanometer puts it in the UVC range. There was an interesting story about how a rock band or some nightclub event, people were exposed to UV light. How could that happen? This is a light sensor that I use. It is very good. It measures incident light and the color of the light, and it does it very quickly. There's an LED just to the left here. We turn that off with the jumper. This is my light setup, and this is how I look at them. They're very similar in appearance. Some of them have distinguishing characteristics. Some of this nomenclature or information coming on the package is helpful, and the actual look of the LED is also helpful. We also have some lenses that work with these. It took a few days to design and program this device, but here it is. It is a light color instrument. The blurple light is a fairly low frequency, and it shows up as okay. A UV light or anything under 400 nanometers will show up as danger. Here is the sensor, and it has a light on it so we can do the color of cloth or any surface. This was an instrument that we needed for our work to protect us from UV light and other light sources. We needed to be able to take a light source and identify it as dangerous because we don't want to hurt anybody. The industries have these types of problems, but they make special instruments for them. This is one of them. We used our own technology. This took me several days to put together, write the code, get the model together, cram all the wires in it, and only to find that I needed to do more programming on it. But I believe it's a functional instrument for safety purposes now. Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.